one bite.
Who eats sweet potato? And it's not even fried. It's made with that weird wind thingy.
It's an air fryer. Okay, I give up. I'm gonna set them right here.
Sweet potato fries. Well, they look good and they smell good. Well, it won't hurt if I give it a try. Whoa, these are so good.
I knew it!
No.
Give me one.
Where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started. Please wash your hands. Ingredients are sweet potato,
1 sweet potato,
onion powder,
A 4th teaspoon of onion powder,
garlic powder,
a 4th teaspoon of garlic powder,
paprika powder,
a half teaspoon of paprika powder,
salt and pepper,
a 4th teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt,
and a pinch of ground pepper.
olive oil,
2 tablespoons of extra virgin cold pressed olive oil,
rosemary,
A half teaspoon of rosemary.
Italian season,
a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Using a vegetable scrubber, we are going to scrub the dirt off and cut off the ends.
Then we are going to use a mandolin to cut the sweet potato into a 1/4 inch size.
We definitely recommend using a mandolin because using a knife to cut a sweet potato is extremely difficult.
Not to mention, using a mandolin helps each fry come out the same size.
We're going to soak in cold water for 30 minutes to an hour. Pat dry using paper towels.
Then coat with olive oil. Shake if needed.
Now we're going to place them in the air fryer at 400 for 10 to 13 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it, but make sure to preheat it for 2 to 3 minutes before.
We recommend flipping them halfway through.
This right here is our favorite tool in the kitchen and our best friend. We use it every day. It makes life so much easier, especially the fact that there is no oil, which makes fried foods much healthier, crispier, and tender.
Check out our chicken video that we made using the air fryer. Let us know what other recipes you would like us to make with this amazing air fryer. After taking them out of the air fryer, we are going to add the seasonings and give them a good shake.